a few years ago when I was coaching at Simeon.
You were coaching?
Yeah, I coach high school football. So we made it to the championship game, and somehow my ride to the game got mixed up. So I didn't have no ride to the championship game. So the game was about 2.5 miles away.
You do not.
Yeah.
You drove?
Got in my chair, left out, and went to the game. But that was the easy part. The hard part was it was in the middle of a blizzard.
Get the fuck out. Are you serious?
So I'm literally in the street riding to the game in the middle of a blizzard. And I could barely see in front of me. So I know people in cars was barely seeing me either. And by the time I got to the game, I hit about 2 inches of snow on my table.
That takes grit. I'll tell you that.